everybody, so I got a quick video to do. Went to Target, picked up a couple items for cameras. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so I picked up a couple small camera bags from Target because Walmart sucks and they don't have camera bags worth a dang anymore. Let's Target. I remember, Walmart used to carry some really nice camera bags. I grabbed these two because they're two different sizes. Bring that up a little bit. So this one is a low pro, which you find these a lot at Best Buy. I just didn't want to drive the extra 30 miles to go to or 50 miles to go to the Best Buy. This is the Adventura SH122. So it's the 120, and then it says Roman numeral 2. 4.6 wide by 4.1 deep by 6.2 high in 11.6 by 10.5 by 15.7 centimeters. It's like 24 bucks. This one was a little more expensive. It was like $28. And the reason I grabbed these is because I have a studio mic. I'm just tired of fiddling with it with this. It's a Tascam. It's a $400 studio mic, and it just crushes this foam cover. For whatever reason, they didn't make this big enough for the foam cover. I've shown this in videos probably last year sometime, maybe a little longer than that. I've had it for a while. You can use amp jacks on the bottom of this, as well as the twist lock style camera equipment jacks. And what I really liked about the Logic was it's got a pouch here, and it's got a pouch on the side. On both sides it's got a pouch. So, and then it's also got the little belt strap if you wanted to use the belt strap. It's big enough for this unit. And what I needed, I kind of just measured it with it in this because I took it to the store with me. I need it to hold 5 of these 4-pack rechargeable AA EBL battery packs. I have 5 of these. Yeah, 5. And I need it to hold the charger, bank, and the cord, which is probably in my main camera bag, as well as this accessory stuff right here. 3.5 to 6.5. There's different ones in here. And I'll probably eventually do a video on it. There's these 3 right here, which these convert down to mono, not stereo, if you guys need to know. And then this one right here converts to 6.5 to stereo. So I have 2 stereo adapters in here, and I have 3 6.5 to mono adapters in this baggie as well, just in case. And these have just been sitting on my, I'll show you real quick. This whole unit and everything has been sitting over here on top of my DS, and it's just getting annoying. I have my camera bag with all my, there's another low pro bag. I do like the low pro bags. This one I got at Best Buy for $150 or so, but this one is made for a it's a big bag. This one's made for a full-size Phantom drone, and I just put a bunch of GoPro and a bunch of other accessories in this bag. This is my wireless mic system. right here that I don't know who sent it, but it was sent to me. It's been working pretty well. And then here is my drone and my 4 gimbals. I have 4 different gimbals up here, which I need to contact somebody about my G6 Plus gimbal because I did the software update and it bricked it. Their own software bricked it, which is irritating. But I do like the low pro bags. I do like that you can just clip this. It's got a nice, more rugged leather bottom on it. This one is, it's okay. I don't see why this Case Logic one was so expensive. It's got pockets on both sides. This one only has 2 outer pockets in the main pocket. This one is not separated. It's just one large pocket. Where this one is actually has a separator in it, a Velcro separator, which is nice. Grab the strap. They both came with straps. I figured it would be helpful to just grab both of them, that way I don't have to deal with it again. This one actually has multiple pockets. It's got 1, 2, the one on the front, 3, the main compartment, 4, and it's got this zipper pocket up here, which is 5 in the lid. So the Case Logic has a crap ton more pockets. It's got a belt loop if you want to attach it to a bigger backpack or something like that. Without the case, this one fits just fine. If you put it in the case, and if you put this foam on it, which is just it's just like a dead cat. It's just to help with too much air over the audio. I usually stick it in and kind of try to shove it down so it somewhat fits, and then I close it. This is what it was sitting on my 3DS. It was just sitting like that with all this stuff on top of it for me to grab, but it's getting to the point where I need something a little bigger. If you put the case in it, it's kind of a little small. You should be able to zip it. Yep, you can zip it just fine. But more than likely, I'm just going to leave it in this case because it's got compartments like this one. The batteries I can just drop in the side. I might have to stack the batteries on the inside. I don't know if it's enough room for everything. This pocket's kind of small. The audio adapters will go in there, and then I can put, yeah, this should fit in here. Yeah, put that in there. So that in there. Charger and the audio adapters are in there. And then, you know, there's enough room to put something else in here. Put the strap back in the bag for now. I'm charging the other batteries at the moment because I've used this a crap ton. I need to do a review on it, but I have 4 batteries charging, which go to this case, and I have 3 other cases that I need to charge the batteries for. So I have 20 batteries for this unit, and I'm just using the DigiCharger D4 Nicore charger. It works well for AA batteries. I bought that technically for 650s for my vaping, and my 21700 or 650s as well, and my 21700 cell batteries for vaping. But it works well on charging AA's. If you guys need something to charge AA's and you're looking at like the Luke V4 from eFest or the Luke V6 from eFest, they do not recognize AA's. Even if they're lithium rechargeable AA's, what it does is it will just sit there for forever. Like this one, you can see the, let me turn the light off so you guys can see. Okay, this one you can see the bars. It's charging at like 3, 4, 5 bars. On this charger, if I turn the screen on, you put a battery in it, it will tell you the voltage of the battery, 1.54 volts, but it doesn't put any bars on this. And 1.54 volts is technically an almost full battery for one of these AA cell batteries. So this will literally continually charge it. It will charge it above 4 volts, and you don't want to do that. So do not use the eFest Luke V4 or the V6 for charging the AA's. It could fry the AA's, just to let you guys know. The Nikkor D4 works well for AA's and 18650s and everything else. Just wanted to give you guys that information. I know I said at the beginning of the video on the intro that it was going to be a quick video. It hasn't been a quick video, and I apologize. Both of these are meant to hold a DSLR camera. Should hold a DSLR camera probably with a 50-100 millimeter lens. This one does come with the strap as well. The strap on the Case Logic, in my personal opinion, is a lot nicer. So this is, or not the Case Logic, but the strap on the Low Pro is a lot nicer. This is the Low Pro strap. It's nice and wide. It's very thick. It's got nice clips on it. And the Case Logic strap is really tiny. It just seems like they just didn't care, in my personal opinion. So this strap goes here and this strap goes here. There's definitely a difference. I'll probably use this for something else. I'll probably use this. This should be big enough to put the GoPro in, and the GoPro Hero 6, probably big enough to put the Hero 7 as well as the Hero 8. With my lights, my lavalier microphone with the dead cat, probably a couple other items, and this Tascam audio studio mic would probably all fit in this bag. So it's not a bad thing that I picked up two. This one's going to be used for now. This one I'm going to save for later. I'm going to cut the tag off of it. On all though, they're both nice bags. The Case Logic, one thing I like about it is it's very wide mouth. The zipper comes about 1/4 to 2/3 down the side, and when you fold it open, it's very wide. That I do like. So I also do like that this one has the zippered sides, where these are just stretchy, but these should hold excuse me, they should hold what you need. I do need to do a review on the studio mic. I kind of just stuffed everything in it. Here's one box of batteries on this side. I'll probably put another one on this side. I'll probably put the other 3 inside the compartment. Probably, I'll just leave it there. But you know, I just wanted to show you these bags real quick. I went to Target to pick up these bags. This right here is a memory card pouch, so you can put a memory card in here, which is nice. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pockets technically, because it's got this memory card pocket right here. So all in all, it's a really nice bag. The one I like the most is this Low Pro. I wish it was a little bigger, but if I want something bigger than this Case Logic case, I can always, you know, head to Best Buy the next time I'm out in that direction and just pick up a bigger case. For now, this should hold what I need it to hold. It's nice, compact. I'll know what's in it. I do like the Low Pro a little better. It stands on its own a little better. This one, just the bottom is a lot more narrow. I'm sure if there was weight in it, it would probably crush. The Low Pro is a lot thicker. It's definitely a lot thicker. Trying to squish it, it doesn't want to squish. Even this is the side that has the studio mic. On this side, it doesn't want to squish this one. You can see it squishes a lot. So, but just wanted to bring you along, give you guys an update on what's going on. I will, if anybody wants a review, a thorough review on the Tascam $400, I believe is what I paid for it for. I think it was $399 or $450, something like that. If you guys want a review on that, let me know down in the comments. I'll do a video about it. If you guys aren't interested, there's no point for me to do a video. I appreciate your guys' time. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for sticking around. Peace!